Lesson 12. Perimeter and Area. Look here. It is a closed figure. You all know that closed figures have a perimeter. And you also know that the sum of the lengths of all the sides of the figure is called its perimeter. Now write the perimeter of the given figure. The perimeter is equal to sum of the lengths of all the sides is equal to 7 plus 14 plus 20 plus 16 is equal to 57 centimeters. Next, if a square of side 1 centimeter is cut out of the corner of a last square with side 3 centimeter, what will be the perimeter of the remaining shape? Now this is a given square and each side is 3 centimeter. So perimeter of this figure is sum of the lengths of all sides is equal to 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 12 centimeters. Now if we cut a square of 1 centimeter from this corner, then the figure will be like this. Now the sides of this figure will be of 2 centimeter. This side 3 centimeter will remain as it is. This will also remain as it is 3 centimeter. This will be now 2 centimeters. This is 1 centimeter and this will be 1 centimeter. So the perimeter will be 2 plus 3 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 12 centimeter. Then formula for the perimeter of a rectangle. Perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus 2 into breadth. Then formula for the perimeter of a square. So perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into the length of one side. So now we'll solve one word problem. If we take 4 rounds around a field that is 160 meter long and 90 meter wide, what is the distance we walk in kilometers? Now this is a field of 160 meter long and 90 meter wide. So length is 160 meter and width is 90 meter. First we'll find out the perimeter of this field. So perimeter of the field is equal to 2 into 160 plus 2 into 90. That is equal to 320 plus 180 is equal to 500 meter. Now if we take 4 rounds around the field, that means 500 meter into 4 is equal to 2000 meter. That is equal to 2 kilometers. So the distance we walk is 2 kilometers. Next one. The length of a rectangular plot of land is 50 meter and its width is 30 meter. A triple fence has to be put along its edges. If the wire cost 60 rupees per meter, what will be the total cost of the wire needed for the fence? First we'll find out the perimeter of the rectangular plot. So perimeter is equal to 2 into length plus 2 into breadth is equal to 2 into 50 plus 2 into 30. That is equal to 100 plus 60 is equal to 160 meter. A triple fence has to be put along its edges. Therefore, 160 into 3 is equal to 480 meters. If the wire cost 60 rupees per meter, that means 60 rupees for 1 meter, and the total meters are 480. Therefore, cost of the wire is equal to 480 into 60 is equal to 28,800 rupees. And therefore, the total cost of the wire needed for the fence is 28,800 rupees. Now, area. The area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth. The area of a square is equal to length of a side into length of a side. What will be the labor cost of laying the floor of an assembly hall that is 16 meter long and 12 meter wide if the cost of laying 1 square meter is 80 rupees? First we'll find out area of the assembly hall. Area is equal to length into breadth is equal to 16 into 12, that is equal to 192 square meter. The cost of laying 1 square meter is 80 rupees. Therefore, labor cost is equal to 192 square meter into 80 rupees is equal to 15,360 rupees. So the cost of laying the floor of an assembly hall is 15,360 rupees. Next one, divide the figure given alongside into 4 parts in such a way that the area and shape of each part is the same. Color the parts with different colors. There are total 12 squares. We have to divide the figure into 4 parts, so 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3 parts. That means each figure will contain 3 squares. The area and the shape of each part should be same, so we'll give numbers to the squares. So 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4. And these are the different parts with different colors.